Hi guys, if you're trying to install Opera browser app on your smartphone, but each and every time you're told install Opera browser from Play Store, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So you might be getting this because of two reasons. One, it might be that you don't have enough storage capacity or space for you to download and install Opera browser app on your smartphone. For that, you need first to ensure that you have enough space by clearing unwanted photos or videos from your gallery, as well as apps that you no longer need. So go through your app and check if you have enough space. Do this before you can go back to Play Store and try to install your app. However, if this is not the issue, then make sure that you are trying to install your app while logged in with your Gmail. So on Google Play Store here, make sure you are logged in with your Gmail before you download the app. But in case you are already logged in, then just tap on the profile icon on your account here. Then scroll down to settings. From settings, look for network preferences, and from network preferences, go to app download preference. Under this, choose the first option over any network. This will ensure you are able to download and install apps via the current network you are connected to. To save the changes, tap on OK and then go on download your apps. Now, in most cases, this should have fixed your problem, but in case you still have a challenge, then the problem might be emanating from Play Store app itself. For that, we need to access Play Store app info page by just long pressing on it, and you should see app info. For some phones, this might be missing. If it is missing, look for a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this. And here we go. We are on the Play Store app info page. So here we are interested in clearing data for this app. So if I go to clear data down below here, choose the last option, clear cache, and here confirm by OK. So this will clear unnecessary files that were stored by this app that you no longer need and that might be hindering app downloads. So at this point, you will need to restart your smartphone before you can now open your Play Store app. Then search for Opera. So let's search and see. And here we go. Our Opera app is here. Now I'll proceed and try to install. And look at that. Now I'm able to install Opera browser app on my smartphone. So that's how you can fix can't install Opera browser from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.